of Sri N. Chandrababu Naidu Garu, the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and Sri Pawan Kalyan Garu, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, with complete support of Sri Narendra Modi Garu, Honorable Prime Minister of India, will make all-out efforts in fulfilling the aspirations of the people for developing the state. Initiating the process, the Honorable Chief Minister visited New Delhi to meet the Honorable Prime Minister and other Union Ministers concerned and apprise them of the grim financial situation. During the visit, special requests have also been made for hand-holding by the centre and extending liberal support to the state. I appeal to the people of the state to understand the current alarming financial situation and cooperate with the government in rebuilding the state. The massive destruction which resulted in huge loss of natural resource base and human value system really makes the reconstruction process difficult and time-taking one. To assess the complete loss, plan for resource mobilization and development is a cumbersome task. It requires collective thinking, extensive discussions with intelligentsia and academicians to explore ways to overcome the current crisis. It also involves finding ways to restart the entire development ecosystem through short, medium and long-term plans in the light of the new development paradigm of Viksit Bharat at 2047. The extent of real damage done to Andhra Pradesh in the last 5 years had not come in public discourse thus far. The misgovernance from 2019 to 24 created a trust deficit with regulatory authorities and damaged the brand of AP amongst investors. The people now given a strong mandate to the NDA to rebuild the brand AP and regain the trust. Honorable members, usually winning elections and assuming responsibility is a happy event. But now we are meeting in different and difficult circumstances. Perhaps for the first time in the country, the members are not in a position to rejoice and have the means to meet people's aspirations immediately. Keeping this in view, my government is proposing to go for budget after meaningful deliberations. With several issues relating to state bifurcation remaining unresolved, my government has taken initiative and visited New Delhi to meet the concerned in Union government, including Honorable Prime Minister and also Telangana government, with an intent to quickly find amicable solutions. The resolve shown by the 5 crore people of the state to reinstate democracy and elect people-friendly government with an unprecedented mandate is required to be appreciated yet again at this hour of crisis to help the state to rediscover its past glory. I would like to conclude my speech with the inspiring words of Swami Vivekananda. I quote, "We are responsible for what we are, and whatever we wish ourselves to be, we have the power to make ourselves. If what we are now has been the result of our own past actions, it certainly follows that whatever we wish to be in future can be produced by our present actions. So we have to know how to act." Jai Hind.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे